DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money. I just got this Oscar, and there's my existing Oscar outside the bag. He just went inside the bag with the other one. I've never seen that happen. He goes inside the bag, and the new one can't figure out. Look at this. He's going to go back inside. Look at that. Now he's inside the bag with the other one. Oh my God. Isn't that funny? And the new one, that one, she can't figure out how to get out. Now they're both in the bag. This is fucking amazing. This is funny as shit. I have never seen that. Come on, you dummies. There's a big hole in the bag. Figure it out. That is funny. Has anybody else ever had a fish climb into the bag? Wonder how long it'll take him to figure it out. That is funny. I'm not helping him. Look at that. See, there's a big hole right there. Oh my God. I wonder which one's the girl, or if they're... I can't sex them, they're too little. But I got them so that they will eat those mosquito fish. Because those things are breeding like rabbits. They're breeding like liberal Democrats. Okay, you're pointed the right way now. Just swim forward a little bit. Nope. You're going to turn around. Go back the other way. See, that way doesn't work, fish. That way doesn't work, so stop doing it. You're insane, fish. Insanity is doing the same thing and expecting a different result. And there's a huge hole right behind you, but you can't figure it out, can you? That's funny. You're just gonna sit there. Move, move. I'm not gonna wait forever. I'm not gonna... Well, I will. I'm not helping you. There's a huge hole behind you, fish. Think of it. Figure it out. Nope. I think I got one of the dumbest Oscars that there are. This guy has a special needs. Special needs Oscar. Pretty colors though. I'm thinking this could be the girl and that's the guy, or this the guy and that's the girl. What do you think, Benny? Look at all those mosquito fish. I gotta get some of those out of here. A big mistake putting those fuckers in there. Alright, now he's gonna go see his girlfriend. He's gonna go back in the hole. Crazy fish. Well guys, I'm not gonna bore you with any more of this, because we'll probably be here a couple hours at the rate it's going. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, you know. Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, you know. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And then some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.